Assalamu alaikum friend, it's me your host Muhammad Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel on Tips. First of all I welcome you all on my YouTube channel on Tips और मैं दुआ करता हूँ कि सब लोग खैर खैरियत से होंगे और अपने लिए भी दुआ की अपील करता हूँ। चलें जी आज की वीडियो बगैर टाइम से स्टार्ट करते हैं। टुडे आई एम हियर टू इंट्रोड्यूस यू a very new site which name is burndoggy.finance. I will give you the link of this in my video description. You will just go in my video description and copy it and paste in your Google Chrome and you will face the first page, home page of this site on your PC screen or on your mobile screen. So they are offering if you would like to be the leader or admin for the Indian group for Burn Doggy, you could compensate you when the token is gaining value as long as you keep promoting our group in your region, country and your own Burn Doggy group keep increasing in numbers, organic growth. So it is we will discuss there in detail. Assalamu alaikum friend, it's me your host Muhammad Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all I welcome you all my YouTube channel Online Tips और मैं दुआ करता हूँ सब लोग खैर खैरियत से होंगे और अपने लिए भी दुआ की अपील करता हूँ। चलें जी let's start our video. Before my starting the video I request you all to subscribe my channel Online Tips and press the bell icon to see my videos first. So let's start our video. First of all, I give you little introduction about the Burn Doggy. What is Burn Doggy? World's best community coin. Burn Doggy has learned a few tips and tricks from his mammy father Doggy. Burn Dog seeks to impress his father by showing his new improved transaction speeds and fierceness. New crypto birthed by the community seeking to burn would be happy to know that it's hyper deflationary with an integrated staking system built in to reward you, so more Burn Doggy are automatically added to your wallet to reach to each transaction, so hodl and watch it to burn brighter than any doggy you have ever encountered. So when they are listed on the PancakeSwap, you can easily by using the PancakeSwap easily buy it. We also discussed their way of process of buying. जब हम नीचे स्क्रॉल डाउन करते हैं तो इनका जो प्रोसेस है बाइंग करने का वो डिस्कस करते हैं. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कि आप कैसे इसको बाय कर सकते हैं. ठीक है जी. So we click on the how to buy Burn Doggy and hold it in Trust Wallet MetaMask. First of all, you should download Trust Wallet MetaMask wallet. Simply visit trustwallet.com or metamask.io and download the application. The app is secure and widely used in the DeFi market. Proceed registering new account and remember to never share your seed recovery phrase. Fund your wallet. Purchase BNB to fund your wallet. This coin can be purchased in an exchanger or directly from your wallet. Connect to PancakeSwap in Trust Wallet. Go to the DApps and click on PancakeSwap in MetaMask. Go to the browser and paste link below to visit PancakeSwap. This is the link of the PancakeSwap. You just copy it and paste in your browser in MetaMask and search. You will find the PancakeSwap first page. Click connect to the top right corner to connect your wallet and swap Burn Dog. Click select to currency and enter the contract address below and start swapping coin. So the contract address will be announced soon. Then after this we will discuss their tokenomics. So you can see the 5% of the liquidity pool and 4% is burn and 4% reward and 2% for marketing. And here is also is 5% liquidity pool and burn is 4%, reward is 4%. You can see the same color as here, yellow. 4% is yellow is reward, and this color is showing the marketing is 2%. So now we will discuss their how we will donate in this coin. Feel like donating as a community powered project. Burn Doggy runs thanks to its amazing volunteer and general donors. If you would like to pitch in, use the official BP20 donation wallet here. This is their official BP20 donation wallet. You can copy it and paste in your wallet and donate easily. Accepted any BP20 token referred BNB burst and Burn Doggy is here. You can see the BSC scan by clicking on the BSC scan. This is their address and you can donate from the BSC scan from there. So we will discuss their other like light paper or whitelisted. When we click on their whitelist link, I will give this link in my video description, so you can copy it and paste in the Google Chrome, and you will just find out their whitelist page. Woof woof, meet newest addition to Hoj family, Burn Dog. Get in before it's too late. We are reaching the stars with the hype. How to be eligible for the listed spot in the Burn Doggy pre-sale. To the eligible to receive spot, you must complete the following task below. Follow us on Twitter. So number one step is to follow them on the Twitter. Just click on the Twitter, then you will see their homepage of the Burn Doggy on the Twitter. First of all, you should follow them and press the bell icon to see their every updates first. When you follow them, you can see that they joined their journey in 2021 and they have the 5,403 followers on the Twitter. I recommend you all at the end of my every video that you should follow or join their social groups, because if you follow them or join them, you will be easily updated on a single page. So we are on the whitelist, and next step is like plus RT plus tag three friends in the pinned tweet on your Twitter. This is their Twitter link, and you join them and like on their post and retweet and tag 3 friends. And other step is join our Telegram groups and fill out the whitelist pre-sale from here. So you will fill this performa. This is the form. You should just enter your Telegram ID here and which country are you from, and email your email address and BEP20 address. And I have double checked the above BNB to BEP20 Binance Smart Chain address, recommended MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and confirm it is correct. So you can click on them by yes, it is correct, and I understand that I must send BNB, and I understand that I will receive my BNB Doggy Burn Doggy tokens, and I understand that BEP20 address cannot be exchange address. Okay? So after filling this, you can join. Task 1 is follow Twitter and give your answer at here. Task 2 is like their post, retweet their post and tag to 3 friends. And task 3, join their Telegram. Yes, I have joined. And terms and condition, you will click and follow their terms and condition and submit it to join their whitelist pre-sale. So we will go back to our homepage and we will discuss if we are remaining something. So we discuss the reward in your wallet. Burn Doggy is adorable, but he's got a lot of bytes. Burn Doggy is a fresh required that will grow in scarcity over time by just keeping Burn Doggy coins in your wallet. You will earn more Burn Doggy, which will be immediately sent to your wallet. Keep an eye on the number of Burn Doggy in your wallet grow as every transaction on the Burn Doggy network generates a 5% charge for all holders. The community holder obtain extra Burn Doggy coins as a result of the transaction. And other is auto and manual burns their 4% fee of every transaction, and the reward holding is 4%, also 4%, and their log liquidity is 5%, and log burning wallet. You can see their log burning wallet. We have a specific burning wallet there. Manual burning event will be announced to benefit our investors and the decreased token supply. And their marketing wallet is 2%. Each transaction will be sent to our marketing wallet. This ensure we will never be short of marketing funds. So we will discuss there how we buy it. First of all, download your MetaMask or Trust Wallet, make your account, and connect the PanQuick Swap and Swap Burn Doggy. So we will also discuss their tokenomics and our documents. You can, if you want to see their information in detail, you can just download their white paper and see them. So we will discuss their phrase roadmaps. First roadmap is marketing push for rewarding website launching 5,000 Telegram member. Burn Doggy is born, and airdrop and social media awareness. And number 2 phase is coin market going cap listening, coin Gecko listening, 20,000 Telegram members, 15,000 holder, third party audit, and massive marketing by influencer manual burn event. In phase 3, there are 50,000 Telegram members, 30,000 holders, large influencer marketing push. And phase 4 is 80,000 holders and 100,000 Telegram members, website design, major exchange, and huge awareness from marketing. And number 5 is coming soon, and number 6 is also for more to be announced. When you scroll down, you can join their community. At the end of my every video, I recommend you to join their community, because if you join them on Twitter, Facebook, Telegram or Instagram, you will be updated by every their information and every their updates, and you can be easily understand how you can generate your huge profit by joining them or by buying or investing on their token or investment site. So thank you to come see my complete video, and Allah Hafiz.